Ever wonder how to make a tulip sleeve without stress? Today, in less than 3 minutes, I'll be showing you how to make a tulip sleeve. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Joy and let's get right into it. First, I'll be drawing a straight line in the middle of my basic sleeve pattern. And if you don't know how to draft your basic sleeve, kindly check my channel for that. So I'll be marking about 5 inches away from that line on the top side, just as you can see. And on the bottom, I'll be marking about 4 inches away. And that totally depends on you. You can also mark 5. Then I will come up by 2.5 inches on that midline. And I will go ahead to connect all the points. So after connecting, I'll just be cutting out. And because I am going to be cutting directly on my fabric, there's no need to get another pattern paper to cut out the other side. I'll just go ahead to use this cutout to cut on my fabric. Hope you understand. And if you want to do that, make sure you flip it over when you are done cutting one side. So I folded my fabric just as you can see, and I'll be cutting it out. I added about half an inch for joining. You can see I didn't just cut out the exact measurement. So after getting this side, I'll be placing it on the second fabric. I just want to use two fabrics to make it. So for the other part of the sleeve, you see the way I flipped the paper over. If you don't do this way, you may end up having the same sides for your tulip sleeve. So when I was done, I got this shape, and I went ahead to add my lining so that it is stable. And that's it, guys. After attaching the lining, I went ahead to attach it to the body of my blouse. So here's a final look. You can see it. I've lined it up and I attached it to my blouse. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's something you would like to try out? Kindly let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and please do me well to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. I see you all in my next one. Bye.